Hi guys, in this video I wanted to essentially just point out how important testimonials are to a sales funnel and also to your website. And like most of the time I see, when you visit, for instance, a landing page or you visit a funnel or anything like that, and you see testimonials that are super long and it takes you kind of forever to read through them. And most of the time, let's be real, we don't even do that, right? Because they're too long. And so I think what's really important when it comes to testimonials are, especially online, that they are in context of the site where you put them on, right? So let me give you an example. If it's, for instance, an order form, most of the time people in the order form, when they hit it already after your landing page, they're mostly concerned about the money, right? So what you want to be doing then, you want to add a testimonial of someone that really talked about it. Hey, I made my investment back, right? Tenfold with this course or with this service or whatever not, because that gets rid of their pain point at this point. And the same sort of for your landing page. Just highlight from your testimonials, highlight the most important things that are in context to your page. Anyways, I hope that this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.